Hey, this will be a video chart on ARNA, and what a just big day for this one. These lines you see are from the last time I did it. If you go back and look through the video archives, I did the last one on June 25th, so right after this day. And I should know right now that I do own shares that I intend to, of course, sell for a profit. So that just keep that in mind. I'd want that little disclaimer out there. So I do own shares. And what happened actually, just to go through, like I said, if you go back and watch the video, you'll see where these green lines came from. And I talked about this level right here being a level of support. So I actually picked up some shares on the pullback I got in at right around 880, I believe, was my average. It dropped all the way down to right at this level. So this previous high here was at 865, and then the low yesterday was literally at 865. So I'm not patting myself on the back or anything like that. More so just patting, charting on its back and showing how just paying attention to previous highs can really show you, good entry points. Sure, I didn't get in at the, dead bottom, but hey, 885 when the bottom was 865 within 20 cents on a dollar stock like this. I'm not going to complain about that. But again, not, not patting myself on the back, just kind of more so, kind of bragging about technical analysis and, how it does work, if you put in the time and effort to learn it. So anyways, just want to get things updated. Big move today. I think some more news came out or something. I sold half of my shares, so I do still have another half of them left. But we'll see what happens. This is a pharma stock, so this thing could be at $50 tomorrow, or it could be at 50 cents. These things are crazy, and you never quite know where they're going. But this chart has definitely been in an uptrend, and continues to hold up and look solid. So as long as the chart remains reasonably, trend worthy. And when I say trend worthy, I just mean as long as it's acting relatively normal. It's been in a nice trend. There haven't been too many, gap ups and downs and ups and downs, kind of like DN. That chart's pretty crazy, but this one so far is, acting halfway normal at least. But on days like this, I'm sure nobody was complaining, especially those that bought on this big pullback day and during this consolidation here. So going forward, two levels of resistance to really focus on. The first being this previous high up here at $12. Yes, the price did break above it intraday, but because we're looking at the daily chart, we care about where the close was. So the close was below it, therefore it is still a level of resistance. Just going to leave that a skinny red line because with another push, I don't foresee that putting up much of a fight. And then the other level of resistance is up here at 1350. I'll make that line a little thicker since it will probably be more of a thicker level of resistance. But again, if this momentum or if this volume and momentum can stay strong, I don't think these two levels are going to put up much of a roadblock for the bulls. So that's where the chart currently stands. Support wise, these two levels are still the same. Watch these moving averages, and as long as the price remains above the moving averages, the trend will be upward. So if there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook. With your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things for big boards down to penny stocks. So there's a good variety, something for everybody. It is all free. We're making some good money on our alerts. So I'd encourage you to go to the website, sign up, and see what it's all about. Also, comment below. Let me know how you've been playing the chart and what you think is going to be happening going forward. Very interesting play, so let me know your thoughts on it. One more time, this was ARNA. Thanks for listening.